National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, south central Noble County in northern Oklahoma, eastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, western Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Carl Blackwell, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perkins, Lakeston, Ripley, Coyle, Meridian, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.